Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm about to show you a method which is just going to take you a few minutes of your life and is going to give you hundreds of dollars. Yes, you heard it right. This website which I'm about to show you in this video is going to pay you $10 for every minute you spent on this website. Yes, and this method is so simple that anyone can do it. It doesn't matter what your internet speed is. It doesn't matter where you are from. You can be from Philippines, Canada, Australia, India, China. You can be from any country of this world and still make money using this awesome new website. So let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a special bonus which is going to show you methods to make money online in a much efficient manner. So make sure you watch this video completely and do not miss out any important information. So the website which I'm about to talk to you about is called as gptplanet.com. So you can come to this website called as gptplanet.com and you can recognize it by this logo. You can see that they have paid so far over 1,500,000 plus to their total members. This is an insane amount of money which they have paid so far. You can see that it says earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join. It's absolutely free. So as you can read yourself that it's an absolutely free place to register yourself and you can start making money online by completing simple tasks. Now what kind of simple tasks are there? So there are many simple tasks. For example, you can earn money to watch a video, you can earn money to complete a survey, you can earn money to do some other simple tasks like typing in some text, solving captchas and similar stuff. These all doesn't need you to have any special skill. These all are very basic things and can be done by anyone who knows how to use a computer or a smartphone and have an internet connection. So now as you can see that you have to first register on their website. Then you need to earn your cash by achieving simple tasks like viewing advertisements or referring new members and completing offers. And then you'll be cashed out in the form of your Skrill account or your Payeer account, Perfect Money or your Bitcoin wallet. The minimum amount is just $1. That means as soon as you make your $1, you can cash out. You don't have to wait to earn $100 to cash out. That's really frustrating and it's hard to wait till that amount because you need to make sure that you are getting the money in your bank account as soon as you make it. So that's why they have this $1 system where you can just earn your first dollar and cash that out into your bank account. Now as you can see that they also pays you money to refer. That means if you are referring other people, you are going to get 100% of the referral earnings for the first few days. You are also going to get detailed statistics of your referral clicks. You're going to get professional support and so on. Now I would like you to go to this website and then click on this register now button on the top. Now as you can see that they have this form here where you have to enter your full name, your username, password, email address, then date of birth, your payment account information. You don't have to add all of these, you just have to add the one which is linked which you are using. For example, I use Payeer, so I'll add that. If you are using Bitcoin, you can add your address there. If you're using Litecoin, Dashcoin, then you can add those things here. If you have a Skrill account, you can add your Skrill account information here. Then you need to fill this captcha. You need to click on this I have read and agree and then click on register. That's how simple it is. You don't have to wait to do certain steps for verification and all of that stuff. You don't have to do that. It's as simple as that. Just fill in this form and you will be taken to the dashboard where you can see all the tasks and start making money online. Now I want you to learn a simple trick on how to make quick money in less time. So you see there will be 5 tasks of watching videos. So open them simultaneously in different tabs and then play them all together and mute them all. So this way you'll be watching 10 videos all together and still make money within the same time. You see, that's a trick and that's what makes it special. You are not going to make $10 for 1 minute for watching one video, but when you watch 10 videos or probably 20 videos, you make bulk money and that's where the money lies. Now once you do that, you need to come to this login tab and then you need to enter your username and password and an extra password if you have, and then this captcha to log in. They have this extra password thing which normally the websites don't have, and I'll recommend you to use an on-screen keyboard instead of using your traditional method of typing text yourself as password because this is much secure. For example, if I want to add a password, I can just type in JAY, no one is able to know which keys I pressed on my keyboard, and that's really important. As you can see that they have over more than 780,947 members. That's a good number. This shows that how trustworthy this website is. So many people are already using this website to start to make money online, and you can start as well. In a very short span of time, you'll be able to make hundreds of dollars online using this powerful application. Now if you want to know that what is the proof, where are the payment proofs, so you can go down below and check out this link which says proof of payments. So this link contains a lot of pictures and screenshots of people actually making money. As you can see that this username person made $39.93 on July 19. Alex Ray made $10.01. Then Jala made $6.16. You can see that people are making tremendous amount of money, and this is all from the past 3 days. Like you can see that just July 17, and people are continuously making money. They are cashing it out and they are living a good lifestyle. Now don't go for these small amounts, because the same people are cashing out again and again as soon as they make more money. For example, if someone did a cash out at 5.12, they'll probably do it again at 12. They'll probably do it again at a higher amount. So this was it. This is how you can use gptplanet.com. So go to the gptplanet.com right now and start making money online. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.